How to fix your MacBook from overheating? If your MacBook is overheating, there may be a few simple tricks to get it back to normal. What do you need to do? First of all, you want to make sure that no heavy applications are running unnecessarily. So, for example, I have this Brave browser. Let's say I have Google Chrome running as well. Browsers are quite heavy. There may be some other applications that also make your computer work harder, which is going to cause it to overheat. So close all the applications that you don't actually need. You can just quit them. Again, you can just right click and select quit. And that is going to make your computer's load a lot lighter. Then you want to make sure to check login items. What are login items? Login items are the applications or processes that start unnecessarily or necessarily while each time your Mac starts up. How do you check them? Go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go to general. In general, we have login items and extensions. Click on that, and open at login is a section on top under which you can see there are two applications. So now every time I start my MacBook, these two applications are going to start. Now sometimes the application may automatically end up there, which may or may not have been your intention, but how do you remove it? You just select the application and select minus, and that is going to take away the application. Select the application, select minus. Now you need not panic if you think that some application was required. You can just add it from selecting plus, and let's say I want the chess application, which I definitely do not, but here you can see chess app. So every time I start my MacBook up, this application is also going to start. And then you want to go to activity monitor. To go to activity monitor, you can just press command plus space and type in activity monitor. Alternatively, you can just go to apps, repeat, and then scroll down till you see other and then select activity monitor. In activity monitor, you want to make sure that the applications that you don't need, which may or may not have been started when you started your Mac, are running. So let's say I want to turn off Brave browser or close Brave browser. I can just select it and select over here saying stop. So if I stop it, it's going to ask me whether you want to quit or force quit. In this case, I'm going to just quit, and then it is just going to take a few seconds and it's going to turn off. So even over here on dock, you can see it has actually quit. Similarly, you can just go through all these processes. Don't mess around with the processes you don't know what they do. Just turn off the applications that you don't need. If you turn some other process off which you don't know about, so it may cause your laptop to malfunction. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.